State Library. I'm your librarian, the Maida Chan. Now I'm sure a lot of homeowners out there that don't need me to remind them their property value might have been in decline. So however, I do want to suggest something that might help them in their pocket a little bit is reassessment. Now, reassessment, how it works is because your local county assessor will assess your home value every year. Now, if it's go up, your property tax might likely go up as well. Now, what if it's in a downtrend? So does it mean that you automatically get a reduction? Unfortunately, no, that's not how the government works. They want you to go through loops and hoops and apply for all sorts of forms, and that's exactly what happened here. So I do want to suggest one thing is contact your local assessor's office, okay, and see if they have a reassessment program in place. And if they do, you should apply and see what's the guideline, what you need to do, ask for all the detail, and that's where you're going to start. Now, how you're going to find your local assessor office is, well, first of all, you can always look it up online, and the second way is get your tax bill. Hopefully you know where to find it, and usually all the information is right there, and that's where you should get started, and ask for your particular state and particular county for their rules and what's the step, how to file a claim if they do have it in place. Now, however, I do want to speak a little bit more in detail in Los Angeles County because that's where I am, and we do have a Proposition 8, that's decline in value reassessment program for homeowners. Now, this is a temporary reduction on property tax for most homeowners who experience decline in value on their property. Now, the filing requirement is quite simple. Now, first of all, now again, remember this is for LA County only, and other county might be a little bit different. So the filing requirement for our Proposition 8 is, first of all, you must file a claim before December 31st, 2009 if you want this reassessment applied to your 2009 property tax. So remember, filed deadline is December 31st, 2009. Now, the second requirement that they want you to support, to submit to support your claim is 2 comparable sales information, and the 2 comparable sales information must be between January 1st to March 31st. Now, I'll get into that in a little bit more detail. So, 2 comparable sales between January 1st to March 31st of 2009, okay? Okay. So that's the second requirement. And you said, what is a comparable sale and how do I get there? Now let's get into that. A comparable sale is a similar featured property that was sold in your area that is very similar to your home. So what they want, what the assessor want is you look for 2 transactions, sold transaction in your area. The home that looks just like yours or very similar to yours, and they want to know how much was it sold for. Okay. Now, and however, the timeline of those transactions must be between January 1st to March 31st. So, once you have this information, file the claim form and submit it to, the assessor, and it would take them some time, of course, just like every government, at work, it would take them some time and, get back to you. And they might approve or deny your claim. However, you still have opportunity to appeal and possibly, submit more information to that. Now, the other question is, how do I get those comms, right? Okay, I know the property down the street was sold back in February for $400,000. But you know, I just know it, but how do I get that information? Now the good news is the LA County Assessor website do have those information, and you just have to, you know, do those work, you know, find out exactly when, what address, how much is it sold for, and you can find out on the website. The other way that you can find out is ask your real estate agent. They should be able to help you, and I'm sure, you know, a lot of them will be very happy to help you with that. Now this Proposition 8 would apply to any single family home, townhome, condos. Basically, if you have a declined value, you know, I really would suggest you should give it a shot. Why not? Also, remember, this is a temporary reduction, and this temporary reduction usually lasts for at least 1 year. Then after 1 year, the county assessor will reassess again, you know, your property and see if it has, you know, increased in value or decreased in value, and they'll reassess that way. And the best part of this program, the cost of this program is free. Unfortunately, a lot of homeowners out there, they did not know it is free, and that leaves a lot of rooms for scam artists to, you know, take advantage of these homeowners. Because they in the county assessor, they receive a lot of complaints, and people call and say, hey, you know, I already sent in my payment for $250. Why did you send me another letter again? And they said, what? You know, what letter? What are you talking about? So that's how they find out. And I did, you know, speak to a county assessor official just a couple days earlier, that they have so many complaints, and some homeowners, they even have sent in multiple payments for the same reassessment, and they didn't even know that it's supposed to be free. Now, again, remember, it is free when you receive something in paper. Although it looks so official, please read the fine print. Now, there's more information on this issue. There's more information on how you get the claim form, where you're gonna file and stuff like that. So, you know, visit our website or go to the LA County Assessor's website. We have it on the screen. So go eat it off the website. You get more information, learn more about it, and be, you know, more aware of it, and don't get scammed. Okay, well, thanks for watching. This is, you know, again, Real Estate Library. We try to get you informed as much as we can and give you the, you know, best and most updated news as soon as we can. Okay, so again, this is your librarian, Amanda Chan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.